This video will go over how to install the X6046S EcoHitch for your Cadillac Lyriq. This hitch features a high ground clearance as well as a stainless steel receiver to help prevent future corrosion. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving the video a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. To start, remove all clips and Torx screws located underneath the bumper panel. The bottom panel can remain on the vehicle. Use a pry tool to carefully pop out the wheel well trim. Remove the Torx screws located under the passenger and driver side wheel wells. Next, open the trunk and remove the screw cover located at the top portion of the bumper. Some year models may require the plastic clips and panels to be removed from the vehicle before being able to access the bolts. Unfasten the screw shown and continue to peel back the plastic cover. Then, remove the hex bolt. Starting from the wheel wells, working toward the center, unclip the bumper and unplug the two wire harnesses. Remove the factory hex nuts shown in order to remove the rear cross member. The EcoHitch will replace the cross member, which will not be reinstalled. Align the frame plates of the hitch assembly to the studs in place of the rear crossmember and fasten both frame plates with factory hardware. Next, feed a bolt fisher from the bottom of the car frame up and out through the back of the cutout. Place a star washer followed by a plate washer onto a 1/2-inch bolt and thread all of it onto the coiled end of the fisher. Proceed to thread it through the hitch and the frame. Secure the bolt with the provided hardware and repeat the process on the other side. Locate the auxiliary kick sensor and relocate it to the auxiliary location shown in the instruction booklet. In order to drill out the location, we recommend starting a pilot hole, making sure to keep your drill bit perpendicular to the flat mounting surface. Cut the extruded portion of the old kick sensor bracket using the contours shown. Trim another port on the bottom of the bumper for hitch receiver access, using the dimensions laid out in the instructions. Torque all metric hardware and 1/2-inch hardware to the appropriate foot-pounds laid out in the booklet. Reinstall all factory components in the reverse order of removal. When you are ready to use your EcoHitch, slide the supplied insert adapter with the provided hardware into the cross tube. Always torque your hitch to the appropriate foot-pounds whenever you are using your EcoHitch.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.